Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal. In this video lecture, we discuss about the topic that water of crystallization in hydrated salt. Okay, and examples of some hydrated salt. So this is the topic that we discuss in this video lecture, and I think you would you would watch this video lecture up to the end. And before starting discussions regarding this topic, I would like to say that if you are new to this channel, then you can subscribe it right now. Let's start our discussions regarding the water of crystallization in the hydrated salt and examples of some hydrated salts. So first of all, look at this salt. This is called sodium sulfate .10H2. Here the fixed number of water molecules that are combined with each number of the molecules of salt is called the water of crystallization. And these salts are called hydrated salt because when these salts are crystallizing out from their saturated solutions, each molecules are combined with a fixed number of water molecules, and for this reason these salts are called the hydrated salts. Okay, and all have water of crystallizations. Look at this salt, sodium carbonate .10H2. It is called washing soda, and its name is sodium carbonate decahydrate. Okay, here 10 water of crystallization is fixed, and each molecule of sodium carbonate associated with the 10 water molecules, and this is called water of crystallization of sodium carbonate salt. Okay, for the other cases like Glauber salt, epsom salt, blue vitriol, green vitriol, white vitriol, and gypsums. In each of the cases, look at the formula of the salts, and for each of the cases you can find the water molecules are fixed, and some fixed water molecules are associated with the each molecules of the salts, and this fixed number of water molecules that are associated with the one molecule of the salts is called water of crystallization. Actually, when the salts, these crystalline salts, are crystallizing out from their saturated solution, that time this fixed number of water molecules are associated with each molecules of these salts, and these are called hydrated salt, and the water molecules, fixed number of water molecules that are associated with each molecule of the salts are called water of crystallization. So this is regarding the hydrated salt and the water of crystallization, or what do you mean by water of crystallizations. This is the point about the water of crystallizations and hydrated salts. Now we have to talk that what will happen if we heat this substance. Means if we heat this hydrated salts, what will happen? Or if we keep it these types of salts in our room temperature, what will happen? For some salts like sodium carbonate .10H2, which is called washing soda, if we keep washing soda at room temperature, it becomes anhydrous, and anhydrous means it loses its water of crystallization, and some salts loses its water of crystallization fully or partially on keeping room temperature, and on heating these hydrated salts, they lose their water of crystallization, because this water of crystallization is loosely bonded by chemical bonding. So by heating these salts, they lose their water of crystallization and they become anhydrous salt forms. Okay, and for some salts they change their color when they are heated. For example, if we talk about the blue vitriol, it is blue in color, but on heating this copper sulfate .5H2 from this pentahydrate, the 5 water of crystallization loses completely, and the copper sulfate anhydrous is formed, which is white in color. So for some salts, this water of crystallization loses fully and partially at room temperatures, means this hydrated salt among these hydrated salts, and on heating they lose their water of crystallization completely and called the anhydrous salts. Anhydrous salt is anhydrous salt is formed after heating these hydrated salts, and all ionic salts or crystalline solids do not have the water of crystallization. All salts do not contain any water of crystallization. As for example, if we talk about the sodium chloride NaCl, it does not have any water of crystallization. It have only sodium chloride molecule, have no fixed number of water molecules get associated when it is formed from the saturated solution, crystallizing out from the saturated solution. So that's it. That is the discussions regarding the water of crystallization. You can see for some salts, when they are crystallizing out from their saturated solution, they are combined with a fixed number of water molecules in each number of their molecules, and these are called water of crystallizations, and the salts are called hydrated salts, and their properties, they are becoming anhydrous on at keeping room temperature or on heating. So these are the total explanations or I wanted to explain about these hydrated salts and water of crystallization. I think you understand this topic, and if you have any question regarding this discussion, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And thank you for watching these discussions. And yeah, you can if you find this discussion is interesting, or you are learning something from these discussions, then like these discussions and subscribe this channel.